How to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5, and in order to open up a demo account, you first need to add a broker. So go ahead and tap on Add Trading Account. And here on Find Broker, you're just going to search for MetaTrader. And you will see this Meta Codes Limited. Just tap on it. And if you want to open up a new demo account to practice your trading skills, tap on Open a Demo Account. Here you just have to enter your first name, then your last name. And then from here, you just have to select your date of birth. You have to be 18 or older to start trading, so go ahead and select your date of birth. You can even add your phone number, that's optional, but you can deposit this amount for your demo account and you can practice from all of this. Tap on register and it should open up a new demo account. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.